Qualified truck drivers in America are in high demand, as there are currently thousands of truck driver positions that remain unfilled. Not only does this have an effect on truck companies who have too much freight and not enough drivers to distribute it, but it also makes it difficult for truck drivers to meet strict deadlines. Truck companies and truck drivers may be tempted to engage in risky behavior in order to make more money. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, truck companies are responsible for hiring, training, and scheduling truck drivers in accordance with federal regulations. If a truck driver violates federal regulations and causes a large truck accident, the truck company may be held liable for their driver's negligence. The law offices of Robert M. Apple and Associates has the ability to fight for victims' rights in large truck collision cases. Call us today for a free consultation at 702-646-0085.